Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are well, safe, and staying at home. This is lesson of computer science for class 9th, week 7, and the topic is chapter number 5, computer networks. You can see the table of contents for this lesson. Let's begin our lesson with the recap of the previous lesson. Topic chapter number 5, computer networks. We defined computer network. Describe the uses of computer networks that are hardware sharing, software sharing, file sharing, and internet sharing. Define data transmission modes that are simplex, half duplex, and full duplex transmission modes. Define network architecture and its types that are client server and peer-to-peer and point-to-point networks, and differentiated between client server and peer-to-peer networks. Objectives for today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the types of the networks, identify the types of the networks based on geographical area covered, describe the types of computer networks based on geographical area covered, and differentiate between the types of computer networks based on geographical area covered, that are LAN, MAN, WAN, and PAN. Objective number 1: identify the types of networks. Before coming to our main objective, let me again describe what a computer network is. A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resource shared today is connection to the internet. Other shared resources can include printers or documents. The connection between the separate computers can be done via copper wire, fiber optics, microwaves, or communication satellite. Types of networks. A variety of computer network exists based on geographical distance covered and the type of topology used. In this lesson, we will only discuss the types of networks based on geographical area covered. Objective number 2: identify the types of networks based on geographical area. Based on geographical area, there are 4 types of networks. Number 1, local area network LAN. Number 2, wide area network WAN. Number 3, metropolitan area network MAN. Number 4, personal area network PAN. Objective number 3, describe the types of computer networks based on geographical area. Local area network. Computer network that connects the computer hardware in a localized area or spans to a relatively small or limited area, such as an office or home, is known as LAN. Typically, LANs use wired connections to link the computers to each other and to a variety of peripheral devices such as printers. Peripheral devices are your hardware devices. Most often, a LAN is confined to a single room, building, or group of buildings. In simple terms, any number of devices connected together within a limited space can be called LAN. The connectivity can be either physical or virtual. Example of a LAN can be phone, computer, and TV connected to a single network, home network via cables, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, etc. Components of a LAN: network workstations, network interface cards and drives, shared hardware resources, networking operating system, a communications medium. Let us consider a diagram to have a better understanding of local area network. In this diagram, you can see that all the nodes, that is the server and client in the network, are connected to the switch, creating a local area network, LAN. This can be an example of LAN located in a small office or a school library that covers a limited area. Advantages of LANs. Costly resources such as printers can be shared by all the computers. Central backing store can be provided in one place. The dedicated file server, so all work is saved together. Software can be shared and upgrading is easier too. In LAN, computers can exchange data and messages in the easy and fast way. It also saves time and makes our work fast. Data transmission speed over LAN is fast. Data communication problems rarely occur. Transmission medium is owned by the user organization. Features of LAN are as follows. Every computer has the potential to communicate with any other computers of the network. High degree of interconnection between computers. Easy physical connection of computers in a network. Inexpensive medium of data transmission. High data transmission rate. Wide area network, WAN. A wide area network, WAN, is a data network usually used for connecting computers that spans a wide geographical area. WANs can be used to connect cities, states, or even countries. Typically, a WAN consists of two or more LANs and/or MANs. Computers connected to a wide area network are often connected through public networks such as telephone system. They can also be connected through leased lines or satellites. Examples of a WAN are: the internet is a WAN. A network of bank cash dispensers is a WAN. A school network is usually a LAN. LANs are often connected to WANs. For example, a school network can be connected to the internet. WAN are used in banks, airlines, and Nadra, Pakistan. Let us consider a diagram to see how WAN works. In this diagram, you can see that four LANs are connected to each other, creating a WAN. This can be an example of a large business that has various offices, branches in many countries or states, and each branch is connected to the other via WAN. Advantages of a wide area network: covers large geographical area, centralized data, get updated files and data, a lot of application to exchange messages, sharing of software and resources, global business, high bandwidth, distribute workload and decrease travel charges. The major features of WANs are listed below. Multiple computers are connected together. It connects devices that are separated by a broader geographical area than a LAN. A WAN usually interconnects multiple LANs. Communication links between computers are provided by telephone networks, public data networks, satellite, etc. Disadvantages of a WAN. Security problems. Wide area networks faces more security problem as compared to LANs and MANs. One of the key disadvantages of WANs is a security issue when many different people have the ability to use information from other computers. Data transmission speed over WAN is slow. Data communication problems often occur. Metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network, MAN, is a network that interconnects users with computer resources in a geographical area or region larger than that covered by a local area network, LAN, but smaller than the area covered by a wide area network, WAN. MAN can connect computers within several blocks of buildings to an entire city. It is used primarily in cities. Fiber optic cable or wireless microwave transmission is used as communication medium. Examples of MAN are networks used by telecommunication companies for providing cable TV and internet services. Let us consider a diagram to have better understanding of a MAN, metropolitan area network. In this diagram, you can see that 4 LANs are connected to each other within a city, creating a MAN. Metropolitan area networks typically connect businesses to businesses and businesses to wide area networks. The distinguishing features of MAN are network size generally ranges from 5 to 50 km. Data rates are moderate to high. In general, a MAN is either owned by a user group or by a network provider who sells service to users rather than a single organization as in LAN. It facilitates sharing of regional resources. Benefits or advantages of MAN. This saves the implementation cost. It provides higher security compared to WAN. Following are the disadvantages of MAN. It is difficult to manage the network once it becomes large. It is difficult to make the system secure from hackers and industrial espionage. Network installation requires skilled technicians and network administrators. Data transmission speed is slower than LAN but faster than MAN. Personal Area Network, PAN. Personal Area Networks, PANs, are short-range wireless networks. PAN's main role is to eliminate cables that connect devices to peripherals. A personal area network, PAN, is the interconnection of information technology devices within the range of an individual person, typically within the range of 10 meters. PANs can be used for communication among the personal devices themselves or for connecting to a higher level network and the internet, where one master device takes up the role of gateway. PANs typically involve a mobile computer, a cell phone, and or a handheld computing device such as a PDA. Users can use these networks to transfer files including emails, calendar, appointments, photos, and audio-video files. Example of PAN are PANs can be wired such as USB or FireWire, or they can be wireless such as infrared, internet, or Bluetooth. The following is the example of wireless PAN using Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth network. Bluetooth is wireless communication standard which allows electronic devices to connect and interact with each other. A Bluetooth device works by using radio waves instead of wires or cables to connect with your cell phone, smartphone, or computer. Bluetooth is a wireless storage range communication technology standard found in millions of products we use every day, including headsets, smartphones, laptops, and portable speakers. A Bluetooth connection typically works over a radius of 100 meters, 328 feet. The process of setting up a Bluetooth network is referred to as pairing. Pairing is done through interaction between two users. When pairing process completes, a network forms between the two devices, and now the devices can communicate with each other. Let us consider a diagram of a Bluetooth network. In this diagram, various devices such as PDA, smartphone, printer, and tablet are connected to the laptop with the help of Bluetooth technology to access different types of data or resources or services. Advantages of Bluetooth. Transmission is secure, reliable, and fast. It can transmit text, images, audio files, and video files. Disadvantages of a Bluetooth network. Although most mobile devices and many PCs today support Bluetooth, the technology comes with a few disadvantages, including slow data speeds, poor data security, and shortened battery life. Bluetooth's low power design limits its data communication speed. Internet. The following is the example of wireless PAN using Internet. Internet stands for International Network. The Internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. Computers on the Internet are connected together using telephone lines, fiber optics, or wireless signals. Each computer on the Internet has an IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It identifies each computer on the Internet with its location. With the Internet, it is possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone in the world, and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the Internet, which is also called going online. Internet has brought a huge revolution in our daily life. The Internet provides different online services. Some examples include web, a collection of billions of web pages that you can view with the web browser. Email, the most common method of sending and receiving message online. The Internet has millions of smaller domestic, academic, business, and government networks, which together carry many different kinds of information. Computer users pay bills, do shopping, find jobs, work at home, and do reservation for trains, flights, and hotels through Internet. Social networking websites such as Facebook and Twitter allow millions of people all over the world to communicate with each other and share their views and ideas. The Internet has diverse users depending on the needs of an individual or the setting. Regardless of the purpose, the importance of the Internet in our daily lives is unquestionable. The World Wide Web, or Web, is the most popular and widely used system to access the Internet. It is a subset of the Internet. It is a collection of websites available on the Internet. A website contains related web pages that can be accessed using a web browser such as Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. A web browser is a software used to access or request for information. To access a website, computer user enters a string of characters called URL, Uniform Resource Locator, into a browser. For example, to access the website of Federal Board, the URL entered by the user in browser is www.fbisc.gov.pk. Let us see a diagram. In this diagram, various devices are using single internet connection. Objective number 4. Differentiate between the types of computer networks based on geographical area covered: LAN, MAN, and WAN. Let us see a comparison chart to differentiate between LAN, MAN, and WAN. Number 1, characteristic: geographical area covered. LAN, it interconnects computers within a limited area 1 kilometer to 10 kilometer. MAN, it interconnects user with computer resources in a geographical area larger than that covered by LAN but smaller than the area covered by a WAN within 10 kilometers. WAN, it extends over a large geographical area beyond 10 kilometer. Characteristic number 2 stands for LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. Characteristic number 3, design and maintenance. LAN, easier to design and maintain; MAN, difficult to design and maintain; WAN, difficult to design and maintain. Characteristic number 4, cost. LAN, low cost network; MAN, high cost network; WAN, high cost network. Characteristic number 5, size of organization. LAN, a network in a home, school, or an office; MAN, a network in a city or small town; WAN, a network covering a state or a country. Number 6, network size. LAN, small; MAN, large; WAN, largest. Speed: LAN, high data transmission speed; MAN, moderate data transmission speed; WAN, low data transmission speed. Number 8, transmission media type. LAN, twisted pair cable; MAN, twisted pair cable and fiber optics cable; WAN, fiber optics cable, radio waves, and satellite. Learning outcomes of this lesson are: we identified the types of networks. We identified the types of networks based on geographical area covered. We described the types of computer networks based on geographical area covered and differentiated between the types of computer networks based on geographical area covered. This is all for today. Stay home, stay safe, take all the precautions that are required in this critical situation of pandemic. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us all, accept all our prayers, forgive us in this holy month of Ramzan. Until the next lesson, take care. Fi aman Allah.